Focusing on your forecast now, KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Trey Fulbright joins us, and I've got my coffee tray because it is New Year's Day, right? People were up late. They were definitely enjoying the festivities. It's tough waking up.
I wasn't up late. Trey, were you up late? I'm actually curious. You're the young guy.
No, I got back in town late yesterday, so I had some things to get done here. But yeah, let's take a look at what we've got going on here this morning, because we've got the colder air settling in. Winds out of the west at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's dropping our temperatures. We've already peaked here in Pittsburgh, and we're expecting those temperatures to continue to steadily drop as the morning progresses, but not much recovery this afternoon. Up to 35 by 10 a.m. The rain and snow that's falling out this morning will gradually progress off to the east. We'll have a couple hours of cloudy skies before scattered snow showers off and on anticipated as we work our way into the afternoon and evening hours today. Winds will remain steady, breezy as well. Could see some gusts upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour in Pittsburgh. If you're in the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges, that's where gusts could be as high as 40 miles per hour coming up today. So a windy, colder day across our region. There's the snow that's falling across the area this morning. Most of that from I-70 and I-76 points off to the northeast, and then along I-80 as well. Seeing that fall from just to the east of Greenville, Mercer County east through Venango, Clarion, all the way into Forest counties, getting in on that. Jefferson as well near the Punxsutawney area, and then extending south into Armstrong, Indiana, Westmoreland, and Somerset counties, continuing to see that light snow fall this morning. But again, our temperatures are above freezing. And if you're outside of the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges, where those temperatures are above freezing, we're just expecting wet roadways today, where travel issues could be possible, though. Johnstown down towards Somerset and Oakland, where those temperatures are below freezing. But there are those scattered snow showers that'll continue into the afternoon. Could see some reduced visibility if you get under that, and notice how these just continue through the afternoon and evening hours, lasting into the overnight as well. And by tomorrow morning, our temperatures drop down into the mid to upper 20s, and we don't climb above freezing tomorrow, with cloudy skies and flurries that are expected to continue. Most of us don't see a lot of snow today through tomorrow morning. The areas that we are watching for the higher accumulations, though, are in the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges, 3 to 6 inches from Johnstown down towards Somerset. And if you are in the highest peaks of the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges, that's where we can see upwards of 6 to 9 plus inches, a trace to 1 inch around the Pittsburgh metro area, and 1 to 3 inches north of I-80. Now, our next system, the one that's a little bit more, could be a little bit more potent, is part of these two systems in the Pacific Northwest and then in the southwestern provinces of Canada. That will organize into our next storm system that will arrive late Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, this one will be moving in with much colder surface temperatures. So by this point, that's when we could see snowfall accumulations starting early Friday morning, lasting through the midday and early afternoon hours of Friday across all of our area, with temperatures down into the 20s. This is a look at the snowfall forecast, an early look at that. 1 to 3 inches west of the Ridges in the Highlands, and then 3 to 5 inches, even locally higher amounts if you are in the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges. That is for Friday through Friday night. That's the more impactful system, as we'll be having much colder air to work with by that time frame. 7-day forecast following Friday's system with that first alert possible for that accumulating snow. Saturday, Sunday, looking at below average temperatures with highs in the mid to upper 20s, lows in the teens as we work our way into next week. And there's another system we're keeping a close eye on for Monday. Still some uncertainty on how that will evolve, but we'll continue to watch it as the week progresses.